top performer pero hindi na pro-promote? That is a comment by Purple Ghost Dilao, and I'm sure that many others, including you, top performer ka sa output pero hindi ka talaga na pro-promote. Unang-una, congratulations kasi top performer ka. Hindi lahat kaya maging top performer. Magaling yon. Pero sorry din kasi sa nangyari sa'yo, ikaw na nga yung top pero ba't hindi ikaw na pro-promote? Here are 3 things that you can do. Number 1, know if there are positions para ma-promote ka. I remember kasi, like, one of my clients, hindi basta-basta na pro-promote sa organization nila kasi medyo flat, and kung ma-promote ka, kailangan mag-retire ng tao yung gusto mong mapuntahan na role. Check mo din kung may mga new business, locations, branches, or projects na pwedeng ibigay sa katulad na gusto mo na promotion. Alamin mo kung may role. Number 2, know the context and culture of how to be promoted in your company. Is it merit-based ba? Depende sa galing and skills ng person, or depende sa tagal, sa seniority, or maybe other factors na politics. Let's say, merit-based, yun yung na-experience ko when I was in a multinational company before. You apply if you want to be a manager. Pero syempre, hindi naman lahat ganun. May mga times talaga, seniority, may politics, ibang usapan yun. Number 3, assuming na, let's say, merit-based, know the competence and skills needed para maging isang successful na, let's say, manager, or for you to become promoted sa role. Because ibang-iba ang role wherein, for example, you are in your current state na role, na ikaw lang, and kung na-promote ka, iba rin yung role kung naging manager ka. Because I know some people, they are top performers, yung talagang na-award sa sales. And then, yung naging manager na, medyo nagdalag yung performance. So, not automatically, dahil ang galing mo sa role, automatic na magaling ka rin sa manager or sa position na gusto mo. Pero, assuming na you have that, what it takes, yung leadership attributes, then, ibang usapan na yun. And that's for the next video.